Hello students, the most important information as well as update for all the undergraduate courses, that is BA, BBA, BCA, BCom, General, Computers, Vocational, Honors as well as BSc and BSW. Usmania University has released an almanac for 4th and 6th semester students. Almanac here refers to it is an academic calendar in which the details pertaining to when to start the semester classes, what is the last date for readmission for the detained students, and when the internal examination will take place, what is the probable date, and when to wind up the session, that is closing of the session, last session, what is the duration of practical examination and preparatory holidays. At the same time, what is the probable date to commence the theory final exams. All this information will be provided in the academic calendar, and that itself is called as almanac by the university. It is released for 4th and 6th semester students. In that almanac, it is stated that the commencement of the classes should supposed to start from 22nd February 2021 for the academic year 2021. So here you must bear in mind that already you have done with the 3rd semester and 5th semester, and practical, internals, all the exams are over, but final theory exams are not at all conducted by the university. So the students, you might be awaiting for the exams date, but the university has released an almanac stating that to start the classes for 4th and 6th semester students. So here, please be positive, be comfortable. So the exams, that is 3rd and 5th sem, mostly be held in the last week of March or in the first week of April itself. So be patient, be firm, do start preparation for the final exams of 3rd semester as well as 5th semester, and attend the classes for the 4th and 6th semester. As in case of earlier, uh, while attending 3rd semester, you have written the 2nd semester exams. For while attending 5th semester, you have written the 4th semester exams. That has already taken place. In the same way, it will be happening for this semester even, right? In detail, we will understand the schedule of the almanac. When you see the almanac, the circular issued by the university to all the principals of the graduate colleges affiliated to Usmania University under jurisdiction of Usmania University, stating that the dates are very significant. The commencement of classes are 22nd February 2021. In the sense, already this date is over. So mostly all the colleges are now starting the offline classes for the student as per the government norms and university norms issued for COVID-19. Having following the standard procedures of COVID-19, they already started the commencement of the classes. So most important is here, these classes will be started by the university, colleges. Some colleges might have already started. So 22nd February is the important date. So commencement of classes. At the same time, last date of readmission. Some students who have detained, those for those students to get admitted, our readmission date is 21st March 2021 is the last date. So they need to do the simple procedure of, again they need to fill the form with the university for readmission. And first internal assessment may take place in the 17th May 2021 to 22nd May 2021. In the sense what, after 21st March, anytime the university may hold the exams for 5th semester and 3rd semester. So be cool and comfortable and have your full-fledged of preparation by 20th itself. So university may conduct after 21st the exams for the 3rd and 5th semester, right? And second internal, 14th June to 19th June is the date has been given, and last date of instructions are 21st June 2021, right? So by the end of 21st June 2021, all the theory classes should supposed to be completed and syllabus should be completed, so that the preparatory holidays and practical examination may be held from 22nd to 28th June. And theory exams, probably the university intended to start on 29th June 2021 onwards. Right, these are the probable dates for the starting of the classes. And the most important is why the university has issued this almanac. What is the intention behind it? So university wanted to make the mostly sixth semester students on par with the international students, so that they will complete their degree as early as possible and get the degree, so that the students who intended to go abroad for pursuing higher education, they can go abroad and they can get the admission in the month of September itself. At the same time, in India also, most of the what we call exams for the admission to MBA and other post graduation entrance tests will be held. So to make the students what we call eligible to attend those entrances, even the university wanted to complete this semester as early as possible, because due to COVID-19 we have lost a lot of time, and hence the university's intention is to complete the semester as early as possible, so that the students should not lose the time, right? They should not lose any time in waiting and delaying the exam, so that they will be in a position to attend all the entrance examinations. So take it this decision positively and do start your preparation, and make yourself more positive, be positive, and being positive itself is very important for the students at this juncture of pandemic, right? So I hope you understood all the crux of this almanac. So further in you can get on a university website. So you can go to the official website of the university. On home page you will find on the top almanac tab. If you press the tab, you will find the information of this whatever I have showed you. At the same time, I will share the link even right in the description box. So all the best to students for 6th and 4th semester. Thanks for watching my video, and do subscribe my channel Mentor the Trusted Guide for more qualitative and informative videos as far as the education is concerned. And already I have posted lot of videos pertaining to BCom students, that is accounting and finance, and other subjects even I am adding. So your subscription always motivate to me to make more qualitative videos and provide more qualitative content to you people. Thank you very much.